Since today is Ram Navami, happy Ram Navami to all of you. May Ram Bhagwan bring peace on earth and save our lives and make us corona free. Thank you so much. God bless you, Bhagwan, for this day. So let us celebrate Ram Navami by making prasad. I will make prasad with rava and atta. It is called halwa or kada. To make this kada or halwa, I need this small cup I am going to take as measurement. 1 cup of atta, that is whole wheat flour, 1 cup of rava, 1 cup of sugar, 1.5 cup I will take. 2 cups will be too much because my sugar has got mote dane, mote crystals. Then I need 1 cup of 1.5 cup of ghee, desi ghee, little bit of elaichi powder. And now let us begin with the procedure. So first of all, and a few dry fruits I will require, which I will chop small. Now let us begin with the procedure. First take 1.5 cup of ghee and add it to a thick pan. Taken a thick bottom pan, heated it up and added 1.5 cup of ghee, desi ghee, that is cow's ghee. While the ghee is getting melted, let us take 3 cups of water, the same measurement that I have taken for ghee and atta and everything. Take 3 cups, that is double the amount of water. Add little elaichi and 1.5 cup of sugar and make chashni out of it. I have taken water, added sugar to it and little elaichi powder, and I have kept it to make chashni out of it. The ghee has become hot, so let us add 1 cup of flour, atta, whole wheat flour, and 1 cup of rava also. Now I will add rava also to this and then roast this on slow flame for at least 5 to 10 minutes until it gives out good aroma and you come to know that it is ready, it is done. Let us mix it up nicely. In order to make very tasty kada or halwa, the proportion has to be the same. The amount of ghee, the amount of sugar, the amount of water will be double, and the amount of rava and atta all is the same. So one measurement and you use the same measurement, 1, 1, 1, 1. Only water will be double, that will be 2. If you eat less sugar, then you can add little less. Suppose it is 1 cup of everything, then you can make it 3/4 of sugar. The chashni is ready, you can put it off. You just want the sugar to melt into the water and elaichi to give its aroma. We pandemic time so you cannot call kanjike. Usually on Ram Navami you call girls, since it is the last day of Navratra. Devi hum पूछते हैं. You call girls, 9 girls, and you give them food, you give them gift, you give them money. But now you cannot do all that, so I am just going to make prasad and puri for the family in the house. And then if I get a chance, even the temples are closed. It is such a sad day. Kya kare? Gods are angry with us. We have to please them now, all of us. Sab milke. So I will just keep it in my temple, जो घर का मंदिर है, and with a clean heart, with lot of love, let us pray to Lord Rama and to Durga Mata to bring peace into this world and give all of us health and safety and free, corona-free planet. As the rava and the atta get roasted, you start getting very good aroma, and see, you can see it is getting danedar also, and it is leaving out the ghee. Let us roast it for some more time. You cannot leave it and go away. You have to keep on stirring it, otherwise it gets burned very easily. And all this has to be done on a slow flame if you want to make very good prasad. In the meantime, I can stand here in the kitchen and chop a few nuts. I can chop badam, kaju, pista, akroot, make them small pieces and keep them ready to garnish my halwa. Kishmish you can add to the pani, the chashni, because it will soften up and absorb the water and it will taste good. You can roast the dry fruits like badam, kaju before adding them or chopping them. That will give it more taste. Anything made with love is always very tasty and very good. प्रसाद बना रहे हैं तो श्रद्धा से बनाएं, फलेगा फूलेगा, जो खाएगा उसकी मनोकामना पूरी होगी. Say that when you make prasad and you distribute to everybody, prasad is something that is prasad, so it has to be distributed among everybody after giving bhog to God. They say it has to be made with your own self-earned money which is earned with honesty, with mehnat. उसी पैसों से you should buy all the ingredients and make the prasad. तब वो लगता है और हमारी मनोकामना पूरी होती है और भगवान भी प्रसन्न होते हैं. That is what they say. My rava and atta is roasted nicely, so it is giving out very good aroma and it is turning absolutely brown also, and it is leaving out ghee. That means it is done. So now slowly add the chashni to this. Keep on stirring it while you add chashni. Slowly add the chashni. There is no need to add it together. Slowly keep on adding it. No lump should be formed, so keep on stirring it with the other hand. Keep on stirring it continuously so that no lumps are formed. And until all the water dries up. See, it is almost done. Still I'll let it be on slow gas for another 4-5 minutes so that it completely dries up. It is done now, so let us add dry fruits to it that I have chopped and kept. I have added holy basil, that is tulsi leaves, and desi gulab ki pankhadiyan. Now I will use this halwa for puja, Ram Navami puja, and then distribute it among everybody. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, comment, share my video if you feel like. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Amita Bagai from Amita's Amazing Kitchen. Thank you so much. Jai Shri Ram. भगवान आपका भला करे. God bless you all.